Xbox Pro is the fastest and easiest way to get Pro.
Cook that shit up, boy. So he be a millionaire.
What's up, y'all? Hope everybody is doing great. All right, we want to come back and do another charting session. We hop on every week. We're going live through our through our free Facebook group. And we also share it on Instagram. But the goal is to look at the market, figure out what's going on as far as the way price is fluctuating, look for trade setups, and we enter those trade setups live. So if there's anybody that are trading live accounts or even your demo accounts, you'll be able to practice alongside of us and make money with us and see the proper application to trading and not just get extra material. So we'll go ahead and get into our session. So we ended the week last week with a couple big wins. We took an AUD CAD trade setup. Let me pull my trackpad back. And with this setup, we entered right here. A trade got entered on a wick. We set a limit order and just let the market come to us, and everything played out perfectly. And right now on that trade set up, yeah, right now on that trade setup, we're up. Well, we hit TP1 and TP2, bringing in 130 pips. As far as the risk reward ratio with those two trade setups, that was a 1-to-15. So beautiful wins, beautiful wins. Let's go.
Win. Yeah.
So big win on that trade. We also called. Let's move this right here. We also called the AUD USD sale. Let's go to it. It hit TP1, stop shy TP2. Let's move this here. So let's count the first target was 86 pips. Dropped down 177 pips in profit. So that's another big win for us. Let's go.
Win. Yeah.
Okay, we also held that US 30. Let's move this down. Let's move this right here, make this green. What is going on with my list? This stuff is all out of place. I guess we can keep NZD USD up there. I almost deleted it. Okay. All right, we're back organized. Let's see. Sorry about that. I don't know how that happened. But we do what we usually do. We track price. Here. Got price consolidating in this area. Liquidity performing above and below. Okay, let's set some alerts on AUD USD. I also took a short-term buy on AUD CAD at this level here from this double bottom to see how far this retest will go. Ultimately, I'm still looking for this level here to be retested. But that is definitely possible to see this move retest this high here. Smooths everything around these. Alright. So far, everything's looking good. We got this structural level of resistance right here. Okay. 2 hour. If this thing closes like this, then we got a chance that this thing could continue this uptrend. And that's what we want to see. So this is a winning trade we got going so far. We had 3 targets on AUD CAD. This was our target 1, this was the second target, and this is our third target. We entered these coordinates before the market even gets to these levels, and everything pretty much happens on its own. And with this setup, it's a 1 to 15. That means you put up $10, you got $153 from this one trade setup. So that's what that means. Okay. Ooh, 1 to 17 right here. We got some nice setups going. So let's check out while we're here. Gold, because we definitely took a sell on it as well. Now gold has been consolidating up here. Oh, but it failed to make a higher high right here. So let's see what we got. There's a lot of liquidity that formed above the highs. So there is a chance that it could be broken. We got these lows here in gold that need to be broken. Pretty much it's just a big area of consolidation. So that original trade that we entered, we hit TP1 and 2 with gold. Now we just need to see what happens with this last target. On the daily, we got this double top. Let's retest it right here. Price wicked above, but the real body's closed beneath this area here. Showing signs of resistance. The time frame exists. All right, so right here on the 1 hour, we got another double top on gold. So every time we get to the highs to retest on gold, we get another rejection. So let's see how this one will play out here. Now, at this point, I think this high has to be respected. If not, there's a chance we can see higher highs being formed on gold. But if price pulls back to this area here to retest this level of structure without breaking above, then we could see a continuation of that downtrend to hit our third target on gold, which is right here. So let's see. Since we did get a big rejection right here at this high, and price failed to break above this high, again, if we're just following the simple rules of the downtrend, price creating lower lows and lower highs, we should definitely get a break of the lows down here. There's a 1 hour, come on. Hey, another 1 to 15. Yeah, let's take this trade. So, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this trade set up in. Not going anywhere. Let me get this trade in. Let's see. We got gold. Since we're re-entering, we could really put the same coordinates in TP1, 2, and 3. Oh, we got that trade set up in. Let's go ahead and take a look at the indices. So we'll start with, I guess we can start with US 30. My light looking crazy back here on this camera, man. Gotta get me a camera where my light don't look so fuzzy. Okay, what you got going on US 30? So we're in a sale. Oh wow. We've been in this sale since here. This thing pulled back quite a bit. Let's see, what did this thing reject? This little level of structure right here. Now look at that. That's why everything in the market is important, because most people will ignore that. It's like a double bottom on a 2 hour. Really need to see what happens right here. If it breaks above these highs, we should see a retest of this area at least. And if we get back here without breaking above these highs, we're definitely going to see a lower low being created. That's our theme song right now. Every superhero need his theme music. That's our theme music. Damn, we are getting crazy setups. Let's see how they play out. Oh, look at that. On the daily, that had needed to be retested anyway. Where were we? 4 hour? 3 hour? Do have liquidity over there on the smaller time frames, so the chance of seeing a higher high on US 30 is also possible. So this is the thing with trading. I want to make sure that we analyze all possibilities. A lot of people just stop at what they believe their bias could turn out to be, and then they leave it alone. You want to be prepared no matter what happens. Whether price goes up or goes down, you need to be in position. Alright, cool. So right now, this is where we have the money. This is where the money is in the market. Above this high and beneath this low. So we'll see which side it makes a break towards first. Set an alert right here and right here. rejected it. Oh no, that really looks kind of clean. Let me take that back. Because looking from right here, this was structure. Yep. So price gave you a breakout right here, and it just pulled back to retest it. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh wow. We got a double top up here on the 4 hour that wasn't tested. What is that? Let's see. What does the weekly say? Oh yeah, the weekly say it gotta come back up to those highs. Yeah, so the charts are setting people up to take some money, empty out some of these 401ks, but not right now. It looks like we gotta have a pullback. Was this imbalance field? No, it was not. That was filled. So right now we got a clear uptrend on NASDAQ 100. What we want to see is how price responds right here in this area. It could give us a slight pullback. If so, we want to see how we can take advantage of that pullback and find an entry. Let's look at this area of structure right here. See if price left any clues. So with NASDAQ, we'll look for buys. We'll also look for this level here to be retested. Look at you. Yeah, that's right at the bottom of structure. Let's test that out. Let's test this theory. So we'll take this 1 to 7 on NAS 100. Let me go ahead and place this trade setup. Oh damn, who would have known? They look better with the lights on. So I'll go ahead and place a limit order on this trade. I also want to see what happens during the London session right here in this area, because if I find a reversal moving down towards our entry zone, I am going to sell it. Looks like a inverse head and shoulders right there. That's exactly what that is. Yep, let's see. So we got an hour left in this candle. On the 3 hour, we need to see what happens if this 3 hour candle closes above this area right here, then we will see a continuation in this uptrend on NASDAQ 100, at least until this area right here is retested. So that's what we want to do since we see what's happening. This is a really pivotal area right here. So we got those alerts set. Same thing with US 30. Wow, same thing with S&P 500. Okay. Wow, that thing hit my zone perfectly. Woo. I'm really nice. So let's see the way this thing is setting up. If it does close above the same thing that I just said with NASDAQ 100, we could see an opportunity where we can enter in right here. What were we just about to enter that trade on? wasn't gold. What was it? US 30, NASDAQ 100. What? Yeah, we're gonna have to market execution this order. Let's see. Let's try that. Alrighty. Alright, so coming off of this week, we led into more wins. It's AUD, CAD, AUD, USD. Let's go ahead and set an alert just in case this thing turns around so I can take some of that profit off the table. But these pairs, AUD, CAD, AUD, USD, right now we want to see what happens with gold. We also want to see what happens with US 30, NASDAQ 100, and S&P 500. What's going on with US oil? You gotta be kidding me. So I was too early. I was actually looking for this sale. And I stepped away getting some work done for a week. And I missed it. Look at that. Ooh, it's okay. See if price pulls back towards this structural level. These wicks really did not create a strong structural level of support right here. We do have multiple retests, and what actually happened versus this area getting stronger, it actually became a target. When you see the market create multiple rejections at the lows like this, it creates something that we refer to as liquidity. It's pretty much money. People place money or stop losses underneath those areas. So the market is attracted to those areas. And if it breaks, look like it's coming down here. So let's see. Would be nice if we can get a pullback here. Before that fall, may need to. Pretty sure we can tighten that stop loss up. have a bottom right there on the 4 hour, and it was retested. Yeah, so it looked like we have a short term uptrend on oil. Yeah, we got some more liquidity at these highs, so we got a reason. The reason is the money up here that needs to be collected, and with that bounce, we have momentum. So let's be safe. Let's set some alerts and do what we do best. Let the money come to us, because whatever you chase runs away from you. All right, so this will be it for these trade setups. To get the recording of this video, make sure that you are a member of our free Facebook group. Everybody else, you get to watch it, but you don't get to keep it. So before we head out, if you guys want to get started, you don't know where to begin, head to our website, ProfitTakerZU.com. Hit that courses tab. Get those free courses. We show you how to set up your demo account and your live account. So when you see me trading live, you'll be able to hop on and make money with me. We also have our mindset series, Structure Breaking. It's the piece that puts everything together. And we have a few books available on Amazon. So you guys support the vision, support the dream with the merch as well. And remember that you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same?
Okay. Let the streets know. Okay. Let the streets know. Okay.